What time is it?
It's Kolohe Time!
Kolohe Time presents Waves of Patience, Maka's journey to Ho'omanawanui.
Welcome to Kolohe Time. I'm Brother Sam.
And I'm Lina Girl, and we're your narrators for today. Maka, a curious young villager, watches the sunset over the ocean.
The colors are so beautiful.
Maka whispers to himself. Maka imagines surfing on the waves.
I can't wait to catch those waves.
Maka said eagerly. The aloha meter, lying in his bed, thinks to himself.
The forecast says possible waves tomorrow. I'm hoping for a swell. Auntie Mala, I'm finally going to surf with Aloha Meter tomorrow. But what if I can't sleep?
Maka, tomorrow will come. Eat your dinner so you have energy for tomorrow.
But I want to stay up.
All right, Maka, it's time to settle down for the night. Remember what we talked about. Ho'omanawanui. It means to be patient.
Okay, Auntie, I'll get some sleep. I want to ride the biggest waves.
That's the spirit, Maka. Dream of those waves.
All right, this is it. Just me and the ocean. I can feel it coming. Yes, this is the ride of my life. Nothing feels better than this.
Villagers greet each other with Aloha kakahiyaka.
Hey, aloha kakahiyaka, Auntie. Today's the day, Auntie Mala. I'm ready to start my quest for the best waves ever.
Don't forget to take some food. You'll need your energy for a good surf day.
Uncle Bear, you want to join Aloha Meter and I to the secret surf spot? I would love to. I can catch some fish while you both surf. Uncle Bear, what's the secret to catching fish? Maka, it's all about patience and knowing where the fish like to hang out. Surprise? What? This is the epic surf spot? No waves today. This is the worst surfing trip ever. Sometimes the ocean needs a rest too. Well, looks like my fishing day will be more exciting than your surfing day. Let's go swimming or gather some limu. Okay, sounds like a plan, Uncle. Mahalo for the good food and the lessons you taught me. Poi! Ole pilikia!
Lau lau.
Even without waves, there's fun to be had.
Yes, when you practice Ho'omanawanui, good things happen. This story emphasizes the Hawaiian value of Ho'omanawanui, teaching young readers about patience, resilience, and the joy of family and nature.
Maka!
Surf's up, Maka!
What time is it?
It's Kolohe Time!